Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO G70 laptop, and in this video I will tell you how many RAM slots it has. So to check the list of available RAM slots, you have to right-click the taskbar, then open the Task Manager, then go into Performance and open up the Memory tab. And right here at the bottom, you will see that your device uses a SODIMM ports for your memory, and that means that you can replace the RAM sticks on your PC. And right above for the form factor, you can see how many slots are used. And as you can see right now, both slots are occupied by two 4 GB RAM sticks. So if you want to update your memory on this PC, you'll have to remove both of these, or at least one of them, and replace it with the new one. So basically, this I think answers the question of the video, and if it did help you, please let us know about it in the comments. Also consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.